Welcome to my kitchen here in my bubble at home. I've got my husband behind the camera. I've got my two teenage kids helping out. We're going to be making a different recipe every day this week on the cafe, filling in for Chef Mark. This morning's recipe, Donovan's triple chocolate cookies. I think we could all do with a bit of a boost right now. We've got flour, baking powder, an egg, soft brown sugar, butter, Donovan's chocolate drops, which fortunately, I'm so glad to find in my cupboard. They were hidden at the back. They are safe. We've got those. Okay then, first step, we're going to be adding the butter into the bowl. It is 120 grams. I've got Westgold butter here. 200 grams of soft brown sugar. Pour it in. Okay, then we're going to cream those together, just like you would in many other recipes. Takes a few seconds just to cream it together. You want to keep going till it's sort of as light and fluffy as possible. Now we're ready to add the vanilla essence and egg. I've got a teaspoon of vanilla essence here. I'm going to crack an egg straight in. Okay, we're going to mix this in as well. Just a quicker mix this time. Next step, we're going to add the flour and the baking powder. So I've got a sieve here. In goes the flour, 210 grams of plain flour. Baking powder we have here, just half a teaspoon baking powder. Sieve that through. We're going to mix this through. I might just use a wooden spoon for this one. Here goes the dark. And yum, the white chocolate. All right, we're going to mix this into our batter. So we're just mixing these in, just making sure you've got the chocolate drops all incorporated. It's all mixed up. Now we're ready to form the cookies. Just roll them into a ball. It's maybe a bit big. There we go. I mean, if you're making for smaller kids, make them a little bit smaller. You just have to vary the cooking time. Just going to slightly flatten them. Give them room to spread out on the tray as well. And then these are ready to go into the oven. Here they are, the Donovan's triple chocolate cookies. And boy, they really smell amazing. But how good's that? 20 minutes in the oven, that's it. Incredible chocolate cookies. If you would like to make them, super easy recipe. Just head on over to the cafe Facebook page. All the recipe and instructions are there.